Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you my 5th Halloween design already. If you want to know how I made this and what designs I made previously, do check out the other ones as well and keep on watching if you want to know how I made this. So it is really easy, again a really quick snappy tutorial because it's just not one I can show you for like 12 minutes or something like that. It is just a really quick and snappy one. So yeah, let's start off with some clean nails. I just removed my previous design and I'm going to start off with a good base layer of that base coat I usually use by Essence Cosmetics. If you want to know which one it is, just let me know down in the comments and I will get right back to you. So you just want to put that on all of your nails, and after that is completely dry, you want to go in with an opaque black polish. This is just a black one I got from Catrice Cosmetics. It is super opaque. I don't know if it is still available though, because this one is from the older collection when they didn't have those square little pots yet. But yeah. Just apply 2 layers to all of your nails, and don't forget to cap off the edges as well as the sidewalls if you have long nails like I do. So after you have done that black layer to all of your nails, you want to make sure that is completely dry before you go in with the next polish. And I really wanted to add a little bit of this beautiful like bluish green flaky polish from a limited edition by Essence. You might still be able to get this one online, but there are tons and tons of flaky nail polishes out there, as well as loose flakies as well in like a powdery, chunky-ish kind of form in like little pots you can get from AliExpress, or just a ton of different nail supply web shops. So I'm just going to apply that to the thumb around the cuticle area, just kind of like a flaky gradient, if you want to call it like that. And I'm doing the same to my middle finger as well. I just really wanted to concentrate loads of those flakies around the cuticle area and just drag them down towards half of the nail. And again, you can do this with like regular glitter as well, but I felt like this flaky polish with the green and blue just really suited the Halloween design I had in my mind. And then with that same polish, I'm only going to apply that really sparsely to the ring finger because I don't want it to like get all of the attention, because I am going to do some stamping on that nail as well. So yeah, I really like this flaky polish. As I said, it is just so gorgeous, and I really hope that more drugstore brands will come out with flaky polishes, because I feel like these are timeless and you can always use them. But then I got out one of my Halloween stamping plates, and I got this one from AliExpress. I think it is from the Born Pretty store one. And I'm just applying that white stamping polish from Born Pretty store as well, and packing that up with my clear like jelly-like stamper by Essence. And I'm just going to do a full nail stamp on the pinky as well as the pointer finger. And on the pinky, I just really like that cute little ghost. This design is really cute though. There are tons and tons of Halloween designs online already, which are really gory and really nasty, and I just wanted to make a really cute one, and one that's really easy to do as well. So I just took the design next to the previous one we used and I stamped that onto the pointer finger. And you know me, I am a cat girl, really like crazy cat woman. And I really like that this design actually, or like the image, was big enough for my long nails. So if you have shorter nails, you might want to look at some like more intricate designs, or just something a little bit more small so it will fit your fingernail more perfect. Then I took another plate and I just wanted to add a little bit of text, like a happy Halloween and a little witch hat to my ring finger. And for some reason the H of Halloween was a little messed up, so I just stamped that off camera on top of the little mess up. But yeah, After you're done stamping, you want to clean up or clean off all of the excess nail polish. I always just use a little bit of pure acetone for that, and I always remove any excess of the stamp which is left on my stamper with a piece of tape. Then you also want to make sure that before you apply your top coat, just go in with some nail polish remover or acetone to clean up any excess which has gotten onto the skin. And I'm just using a regular top coat, which I've been using a ton lately. This one is by Essence Cosmetics as well. And I'm going to apply that to the like simple black nails with a little bit of that flaky polish first, because I really want that white stamping polish to be dried completely to prevent any dragging of that white polish. Because sometimes when you go over stamping polishes too quickly, you really have like dragging and lines, and it's just not a pretty sight, you know. But just apply a good, healthy, thick layer of that top coat to make sure that your manicure lasts throughout this entire Halloween season, and don't forget to cap off the edges as well. So yeah, this is like my 5th and I think final, but I'm not sure. I might make more Halloween designs if I have some more spare time. But I really hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Do you like the flaky polish as much as I do? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to answer or ask me so I can answer to you personally. And I will see you guys next time.